So, picture this. You're working hard, saving every dollar you can, yet somehow everything around you keeps getting more expensive. Your salary seems stuck in the slow lane while prices are speeding by. You might find yourself wondering why, despite being so careful with your money, you end up spending what you've saved on bills, groceries, and those unexpected splurges. And then it hits you. How do some people actually get rich if this is how money works? Here's the deal. The traditional way of just saving cash in a jar or a bank account might not be enough when inflation is busy nibbling away at your hard-earned dollars. Investing, however, is like giving your money a chance to work for you. Instead of letting it just sit there, imagine putting it into something that grows. Think of it like planting a tiny seed that eventually blossoms into a money tree. When you invest, you're not just watching your money sit idly by. You're letting it grow over time thanks to a magic called compound interest. It's like when you add a little bit of water to a plant, and suddenly that plant starts growing more leaves, which then help it grow even more. With compound interest, every bit of money you earn can help generate even more, all while you focus on your day-to-day grind. All right, let's do some quick math. Don't worry, no scary numbers, just easy peasy stuff. And for now, let's put inflation aside. We're just looking at how your money can grow if you invest it. Let's say you invest $100 once and let it grow by 10% per year. Year 1. Boom! Your $100 turns into $110. Year 2. Now, instead of just making money on your first $100, you make 10% on $110. That's $121. Year 3, that 10% keeps stacking, and suddenly you have $133.10. Your money isn't just sitting there, it's multiplying on its own like a snowball rolling downhill. Instead of just adding $10 every year, your money is making money for you. Now let's say you don't just invest once, you invest $100 every year and let it compound at 10% per year. Watch how your money levels up. Year 1. You start with $100, it grows to $110. Year 2, you add another $100, now you have $231. Year 3, another $100 and boom, you're at $364.10. Year 4, another $100, and now it's $510.51. Year 5, another $100, and suddenly you have $671.56. If you were just saving $100 each year, you'd have $500. But because of compound interest, you have $671.56 instead. That's free money. Now, imagine doing this for 10 years instead of just $1,000. You'd have $1,753. What if you invest $100 every month instead of just once a year? If you do this for 5 years, your total savings would be $6,000. But with compound interest, your money would grow to around $7,764. That's an extra $1,764 without lifting a finger. That's how people build real wealth. Not by working harder, but by making their money work for them. So instead of watching your savings shrink in value, you could be setting up your very own financial garden. It might start small, but with a little patience and smart choices, those initial coins can multiply, offering you a buffer against rising costs and even paving the way toward long-term wealth. In essence, the secret isn't about cutting every little expense. It's about making your money work as hard as you do. And while the journey might have its ups and downs, understanding and embracing investing could be the key to outsmarting those ever-increasing prices and building a brighter financial future.